item, this is linen type naman po. Crop length. Na perfect siya sisi sa mga trousers na high waist. Okay, high waist trousers, high waist jeans, high waist shorts, high waist skirt, any high waist, para hindi po sisilitaw yung tummy. Pero kung okay lang sa inyo na nakalitaw yung tummy, perfect din po siya sa mga mid-waist. Okay? So for this item, ganyan naman siya sa malayo. Side details and back details is drop sleeve din siya, premium type linen naman to. Meron siya CC pocket both side po, deep neckline V-neck sis without button siya dito. Dito lang yung button niya. Okay? You can wear it as hanging top or you can wear it sisi as the, yung balloon top. Okay? Naka-adjust. Code natin dito sisi is CM6 for this. I'm wearing CM6 Sky. Light color to ng blue sisi ha. Meron tayo, ito talaga yung blue color. CM6 blue up to 42. 42 boss. Meron tayo sisi CM6 pink for this. Okay? CM6 pink and meron tayong CM6 peach for this one. For only sisi 49 QR or 790 pesos. Code is CM6 and then your color po. We have Sky, 42 boss. Drop sleeve. Meron siya CC cuff. Ayan, cuff sleeve po. CM6 Sky, CM6 peach, CM6 blue, and CM6 pink for this. For only 49 or 790 pesos for this. Okay?